Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda Gold Wing F6B. This is the bagger version, 6-cylinder, 1800 cc's, smooth as silk, only 12,440 miles on this one-owner F6B. New tires, new battery, low mileage. This is the one you've been waiting for, only $99.99. Come on by and make your bagger dreams come true. This awesome Gold Wing. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.